Dear students, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 3, data handling. Today's topic is probability. Probability means chance. The formula of probability is number of favorable outcome of event divided by total number of outcome. This is the formula of probability. Now we will take some small example to understand what is the probability. First example, we take example of coin. In a coin there are two sides, head and another side is tail. Head denoted by capital H, tail denoted by capital T. What is the chance of coming head? What is the chance of coming head on coin? What is the chance of coming head on a coin? Probability for finding head is equal to probability, chance means probability for coming head. The formula is number of favorable outcome. The number of favorable, there are two combination, head and tail. The favorable is only one. Total number of outcome 1 and 2, there is 2. This is the example of coin. If we find coming tail on a coin, chance for coming tail on a coin, total number is 1 and 2, the total number is 2. What is the favorable about tail? Favorable is 1. So for coming head there is chances of 1 by 2, coming tail chances of 1 by 2. In simple words, we say that the 50-50 chances, 50% and 50%, half means 0.5, 50. So coming head and tail chances are 50-50. Now we will take another example. Example is die. A dice. When we are playing Ludo, the dice is here. So dice. On a dice there are 6 sides. Numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. On a dice there are numbering of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are checking probability of coming 1. Probability of coming 1. The number of total event, the number of total outcome. Total outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total is 6. What is the favorable about 1? There is 1. Probability for finding 4. Total outcome is 6. What is the number of favorable about 4? Favorable about 4 is only 1. So 1 by 6. For other, probability of 2 is 1 by 6, probability of 3 is 1 by 6, probability of 5 is 1 by 6, probability of 6 is 1 by 6. There are the probability. Now I am checking probability for coming 7 is equal to total outcomes are 6. What is the chance of coming 7? Favorable outcome about 7. There are no any 7. No any 7 means number of outcomes is 0. So chance is 0. It called impossible event. This called impossible event. Probability for even numbers. Probability for even numbers. Total outcome is 6. Even numbers 2, 4, 6. There are 3 even numbers. 2, 4, 6. The favorable is 1, 2 and 3. Favorable numbers are 3. So this is 1 by 2. Probability for coming odd. What is the odd numbers? Odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7. These are. Total number of outcome is 6. What is the odd number? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 3. This is over 1 by 2. So this is our probability. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our questions in exercise. Now in exercise 3.4, question number first. Tell whether the following is certain to happen. Impossible, can happen but not certain. Certain to happen means always true. Impossible means this event cannot come, and can happen but not certain means 50-50 chances. First is, you are older than yesterday. Yes, in every day our age will be larger. So yesterday and today, when we comparing today and yesterday age, you are older. Yes, this is true for all year. So this is certain to happen. This is always fixed. Certain to happen. Now next is, a tossed coin will land heads up. In a coin there are two sides, head and tail. When we toss a coin, when we throw a coin, when coin lands, can come head or maybe tail. Maybe head, maybe tail, not fixed. Maybe head, maybe tail, not fixed. Means can happen but not certain. Means this event not fixed. The always head ups. So answer is can happen but not certain. Can happen but not certain. Now next third is, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. In a die, when we throw a die is having 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Only 1 to 6 number can comes on dice throw. The question says, a dice when tossed shall land up with 8. 8 cannot come on dice. Dice having 1 to 6 number. 8 cannot. 8 cannot means impossible. So this event is impossible event. Answer impossible. Now next is fourth. The next traffic light seen will be green. The next traffic light, current traffic, not current traffic light, the next traffic light. We cannot see the next traffic light. When we comes on traffic light, we will see this traffic light is green, red or yellow. There are 3 types of light: red, green and yellow. So maybe green, maybe red, maybe yellow, not fixed. Means can happen but not certain. The light will be green is not certain. So answer is can happen but not certain. Now next is 5. tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Tomorrow, next day, in the next day there are a cloudy day. May be cloudy, may not be cloudy. The cloud will be come or not come, not fixed. So can happen but not certain. The answer is can happen but not certain. Let's take beginning from this question. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. There are three terms: certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Question number first. You are older today than yesterday. In our next day, our age will be larger than yesterday. So this is always true. So certain to happen, this is always fixed, the age will be larger. So you are older today than yesterday. Next question is, a tossed coin will be lends heads up. In a coin having two sides, head and tail, when we toss a coin, may be head, may be tail, not fixed. Not fixed means can happen but not certain. Heads can come but not certain. Question number third. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on the top. In a dice, we knowing that there are 6 sides, numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When we throw that dice, the number will become maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6, but 8 cannot come. 8 cannot come. So a dice when tossed shall land up with 8 on top, cannot come. 8 cannot come means impossible. 8 cannot come. Next question is, the next traffic light seen be green. In a traffic light there are 3 lights, red, green and yellow. There are 3 lights, red, green and yellow. When we reach the traffic light, may be yellow, may be green, may be red. May be means not fixed. So can happen but not certain. Next question is, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. May be cloudy, may not be cloudy, means not fixed. Not fixed means can happen but not certain. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 2. There are 6 marbles in a box with number from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. We are having a box. In this box there are 6 marbles, numbering on them 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. The box is packed. There are 6 marbles in a box, numbering is 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now question is, what is the probability for drawing a marble with number 2? In this box there are numbers on marble. When we pick a marble randomly from this, if we pick a marble randomly from this box, what is the probability of 2? What is the formula of probability? Formula of answer, taking question number first. probability of drawing a marble with number 2. Probability of drawing a marble with number 2. The formula is number of favorable outcome, number of favorable outcome of event is 2 coming to upon total number of outcome, total number of outcome. So what is the favorable of 2? Number of favorable of 2, only one marble having number of 2, so having only one marble with number 2. Total number of outcome, total number of marble is 6, so answer is 1 by 6. Now taking question number 2. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? So probability of drawing a marble with number 5 is number of favorable outcome of what is the event? Event is 5. Divide by total number of outcome, total numbers of outcomes. Now what is the favorable about 5? Number of marble having 5, only one marble. Only one marble having number 5, so this is 1. And total number of outcome, total number of outcome is total marbles are 6. Let's take beginning from this question. There are 6 marble in a box with number 1 to 6 marked on each of them. This is a box having 6 marble, numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? Probability of drawing a marble with number 2 formula is favorable number of favorable outcome of event. Event is coming to divide by total number of outcome. Total number of marble is 6. Total number is 6. The favorable about 2, only one marble having number 2. Only one marble having number 2. The next is what is the probability of drawing marble with number 5? Formula: probability of drawing a marble with number 5. Number of favorable outcome of 5 divided by total number of outcome. Total number of marble is 6. What is the naming of number of marble having naming 5? Only one marble, so 1 by 6. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 3. A coin flip to decide which team start the game. What is the probability that your team will be start? In a coin there are two sides, head and tail. When we throw the coin, when we toss the coin, my team, for example, my team says heads come, the coin will be tossed. Head may become, may not be come. There are, when we toss the coin, the heads come, maybe the tails come. Means my team will win the toss, my team will lose the toss. If my team win the toss, then my team will start the match. If my team win the toss, my team will be start the match. If my team lose, my team cannot start the match. Opposition team will be start the match. So there are only two sides, win or loss. There are two sides for throwing the coin, win and loss. So there are 50-50 chances, means 1/2 is probability. So taking this answer of this question, when a coin is flipped, there are only two chances, win or lose. There are only two chances, win or loss. Question is, what is the probability? Probability to my team will start is equal to, formula is number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. The formula of probability to my team will be start. Formula is number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. The number of favorable outcome for winning number is 1. Total number of outcome, the total number of outcome, win loss 1 and 2, total number is 2. So probability is 1/2, 1 divided by 2. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take next chapter in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.